ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth.
Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature patterns and weather conditions on Earth. It is primarily caused by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, trap the heat from the sun and result in warming effect known as greenhouse effect. Consequences of climate change are wide-ranging and pose significant challenges to both the environment and human societies. Some impacts of climate change are rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, sea level rise, ecosystem disruption, impact on agriculture and food security, water resource challenges, and health risks. Combating climate change requires collective action at various levels, from individuals to governments and international organizations. Tips on how to combat climate change. Reduce carbon emissions. Minimize your carbon footprint by using energy-efficient appliances, opting for renewable energy sources, and reducing energy consumption. Consider using public transportation, carpooling, or cycling instead of driving alone. Conserve energy. Turn off lights and unplug electronic devices when not in use. Set your thermostat to an energy-efficient temperature and insulate your home to reduce heating and cooling needs. Choose sustainable transportation. Whenever possible, walk, cycle, or use public transportation. If you need a car, consider an electric or hybrid vehicle to reduce emission of pollution from cars. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Practice the 3 Rs to minimize waste. Reduce consumption by buying only what you need, reuse items instead of throwing them away, and recycle materials such as paper, plastic, glass, and metal. Conserve water. Use water efficiently by fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and watering plants during cooler times of the day. Collect rainwater for outdoor use if feasible. Support renewable energy. Consider investing in renewable energy sources such as solar panels for your home. Eat sustainable diet. Reduce your meat and dairy consumption as the livestock industry contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Opt for locally sourced, organic, and plant-based food if possible. Plant trees and protect forests. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help combat climate change. Get involved in tree planting initiatives or support organizations to protect forests. Raise awareness. Educate others about climate change and its consequences. Engage in activism and advocacy. Join local or global organizations that focus on climate change and advocate policies that addresses the issue. Support sustainable businesses. Choose companies and products that prioritize sustainable practices and have a lower environmental impact. Vote for climate-conscious leader. Support candidates who prioritize climate change mitigation and have strong environmental policies. Addressing climate change requires a comprehensive and coordinated effort from individuals, communities, businesses, governments, and international organizations. By working together, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change and build a sustainable and resilient future.